Okay, you can go.
Good morning, everyone. You all are welcome to our presentation. Let's begin. This presentation was given by our respected computer teacher, Mr. Durga Gaya sir, and me and my group are presenting this presentation in front of you all. The members of my group are, first of all, me, myself, Piyush Rizal,
I am Nihal Rizal.
इसमें से दिन मेरे
Solina Karki, Palpasa Silwal, and Susan Morjan. And our topic for today's presentation is web page designing with HTML. We have divided our contents in three parts. They are introduction, terminologies, and working with HTML. Let's get started with the first section. After the introduction of internet and use of network and networking, the internet has become the backbone of today's society. All the people are incomplete without internet these days. Various people use internet for various purposes. They search for different information and which are very helpful for them in different sector. So all those informations are stored in a web page and a particular websites. Web page is a collection of website is a collection of many web pages, and web page is an individual page of website written in the HTML language. So therefore the backbone of internet is HTML, and the backbone of 21st century is internet. However, the HTML has also become a basic tool for web page designing and website making. So it is one of the main topic in today's world, and we are going to learn about the same topic in our today's presentation. In the second part, we are going to learn about some basic terminologies related to HTML. Web page. As I already said, web page is a individual page of a website that contains information related to the website and other different topics of the world. We can find any website through any URL address or by special keywords through search engine. Here you can see a picture of one website and some web pages too. Our next topic is HTML. HTML, also known as Hypertext Markup Language, was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. It is a special language which is used to create web pages and websites. And we are going to learn about this. And I want to call my friend Solina Karki for upcoming topics.
Thank you, Piyush, for calling me over here. S- So my topic is web browser. After making any web page and uploading it, we must need a source to view it. This task is done by web browser. So web browser is an application that is used to access and view websites. You can see the pictures of icon and some web browsers like Chrome, Opera, etc. below. So my next topic is search engine. Search engine is a part of web browser which helps to view web page through web's address or keywords. It searches the keywords in www and gives us result. You can see the pictures of some web search like Google, Axe, etc. below. Hyperlink. It is a word or image that we can click the jump to another document or new page. It is also found in almost all web pages. You can see imaginary picture of hyperlink below. Now I want to call my friend Palpasa over here. Thank you.
Thank you, Salina, for calling me. Now we are in the third section of HTML. Next slide.
Yes.
Here we have divided some upcoming topics which we are going to learn now. The upcoming topics are features of HTML, HTML tag, and preparing HTML documents. Now we are going to learn some features of HTML. Features of HTML. It helps to create a web page with the help of various tags. It helps to create a link between or among the documents. It helps to create data in a tabular format. It helps to insert pictures and symbols. It helps to create a form. Now we are going to learn some HTML tags. HTML tags are the hidden keyword within a web page that define how our web browser displays the content. It is enclosed within two answer brackets. The opening tag is enclosed within two brackets by closing tags has additional start sign after first bracket. Now I would like to call Nehal Rizal.
Thank you, Paul. I am here to tell my topic, and my topic is types of HTML. Types of HTML tag, if we tell, then first in our mind it will come two tags. One is container and empty tag. First, the container tag. This tag is the tag which has both starting and ending form. And just like it is starting and ending form, it is used from the angular bracket. It contains a slash to close the bracket. Like Palpasa said in first, it will be slash in first. For example, we will tell angular bracket u angular bracket close tag start with the underline, and angular bracket slash u and angular bracket close to the underline. And empty tag. This tag doesn't have the ending, but it has only starting. For example, angular tag bg and angular tag close code does not have to end there. Basic HTML tag. The basic HTML tags of there is HTML. It is the first HTML tag, or we can basically define as the document as a web page. It also identifies the beginning and the end of the HTML. All the other tag must be fall between HTML tag. Another is header tag. The header contains information about document that does not appear actually on the page, such as title of the document. Third is title tag. The title tag defines the title that will appear in the title bar of your web browser. The title must appear between the alt tag. Another is body tag. The body tag contain all the information and other visible content on the page. All your image links and plain text must between the here. And my another topic is text formatting tag. The text formatting tag, first it will come bold tag. It displays the bold typeface. Its sentence is angular bracket b angular bracket close in between, put your text, and angular bracket slash b and angular bracket close. Second one is it will tell italic tag, because it displays the text in italic face. Its syntax is angular bracket I text angular bracket close text, again angular bracket slash I and angular bracket close. For example, italic tag, you put your text there and close the angular tag with slash. Now I want to call my friend Sudhin Gimire to present this topic.
Thank you, Nehal. Now I'm going to give some information about some useful tag for HTML, which is used for text formatting. Underline tag. Underline tag display text in underline typeface. Its syntax is angular bracket u and angular bracket close text and angular bracket slash u and angular bracket close. Big tag. It is used for you to display text larger in font. Its syntax is angular bracket big, angular bracket close text and angular bracket slash big and angular bracket close small tag. It is used to display text in smaller font. Its syntax is angular bracket small, angular bracket close text and uh, angular bracket slash small and angular bracket close. Um, bold tag. Bold tag. Text within angular bracket strong, angular bracket close, and angular bracket slash strong and angular bracket close tag are re- rena, uh, renaded as bold. Its syntax is angular bracket strong, angular bracket text, and angular bracket strong, angular bracket slash and strong angular bracket blink tag. It is used to provide blink effect to the text. It was first introduced for Netscape 1.0. Its syntax is angular bracket blink, angular bracket text, and angular bracket slash blink and angular bracket close. Example: angular bracket blink, angular bracket congratulations, angular bracket slash angular bracket angular bracket close. Subscript tag. It is used to subscript. It is used to subscript. Its syntax is angular bracket sub, angular bracket close text, and angular bracket slash sub, angular bracket close. Example: four angular bracket sub, angular bracket close, two angular bracket slash sub, angular bracket close, zero. Then now nine number for angular bracket font color is equals to red angular bracket close angular bracket slash font angular bracket close. This tag is used to change the color into red. Angular font size is equal to angular bracket font size is equal to 5 angular bracket close angular bracket slash font and angular bracket close. This tag is used to change the font size into a point live into a point 5 strike. It is used to strike and stack to test. Its syntax is angular bracket s angular bracket text angular bracket slash s angular bracket. Example: angular bracket s angular brackets close cigarette smoking angular bracket slash s and angular bracket. Now I want to call Piyush Rizal for more information.
Thank you, Sudin, for calling me here. And I'm here once again, and I'm going to describe about web page decorating tags. The first web page decorating tag is background color. The default background color is white in all the HTML. So we must change the background color for more awesome web page designing. So the background color is defined as at the time of declaration of body tabs. The color name or RGB code is used for color. The light color is appropriate for background color. If we use dark color, then the existing foreground cannot be attractive and clear. Its syntax is uh, angular bracket body bg color equals to, and under the two signs we must keep the color name or code. We can find the code easily by searching or through any means, and we can keep the standard color names such as red, green, yellow, blue, etc. And then we must close the body at the last. It comes together with the body. Next tag is image tag. Image helps us to give more visual effect in our web page. So inserting image is one of the best way to decorate our website. We can insert various image in HTML, which may have the extensions such as JPG, GIF, JPEG, .tip or .bmp picture. Its grammar is img equals to, and between after the src we must know the source of the image. First of all, we must click on the properties of the image, and then we can see the name and the extension of our extension of our image. We must keep the name of our image, and then after that we can keep the extension of our image. And then the other attributions of image are aligned. This helps to finalize the position of any image. We can keep it at the top, middle, left, right, or center. And the white and height helps us to give the information about the height of image. The height and uh, we can keep the height number in the height side, and then we can keep the number of white we want. The next is background image. Only keeping background color may not be suitable for many websites, so we must sometime keep the background image too. It is not so different. It is similar to the background color, but one different thing is that we must not keep the BG color tag. We must keep BACKGROU and background tag, and then the image file as we insert the image right there. Another thing is marquee tag. Marquee simply means a tag which helps us to move any picture or a text. We can we can move the image or text upwards, downwards, scroll, and other various position. Its grammar is marquee behavior equals to, we can keep the behavior scroll side, alternate, or direction as our wish, and the direction must be left, right, up, down, or anything. And we can also keep the background color for marquee. For that we can keep the color name or code. And then between the two opening marquee tag and closing marquee tag, there must be any text or any picture to which we want to marquee. Other main HTML tags are h and tag. H and tags helps us to give keep the header of our content. The title of our content will only be visible at the top, so we must need a separate header for our content. So H means the header, and N means the number. The highest number of HN is 1, and the lowest is 6. If we keep H1, opening H1 and closing H1, then will be given the most biggest header. And then if we keep at 6, opening at 6 and closing at 6, then it will be giving us a little bit small header. Paragraph tag is one of the most important tag, because this tag is used to write any paragraph, and the paragraph are the main source and information of any web page. The syntax of this is simply paragraph, opening paragraph tag and closing paragraph tag, and between we can keep any text. We can also keep the paragraph align. If we need paragraph align, then we must do uh, p align equals to, we can keep the alignment left, center, right, or justify, and then we must close the paragraph tag. BR tag. This tag moves the cursor in the a new line without leaving blank space. This tag is used because it helps to change the line. It is a empty tag, so we can use directly without any closing tag. So line break option Atlantic book store, and uh, if we want to write the lower sentence in a new line, then we can keep the break tag there. Hyperlink is one of the most important tag, because it helps us to link any website to another website of old wide web, or simply and the top. Simply it also helps us to link the upper part of website to lower part, and lower to upper part, so as it also helps to link with the next part, or next file of any website. If we want to do the interlink, that means linking to same document of web page, then we can do ahref equals to, and then we must keep the file name of any document, just as 1.html, 5.html, etc, and then we must close the tag. Similarly, if we want to do external link, then we must keep the name of website in the place of the file name. Now we are here in the last and final part of our presentation. Here we are going to do some, no, we are going to uh, show some image, and show how can we work with HTML and how can we prepare HTMLs. First of all, before preparing any HTML, we must open two things. They are a web browser and then a notepad. Notepad is used to write the HTML tags, and website is used to view that tag. First of all, we can find a notepad by searching in this area, and or just by knowing the place where we are keeping. After opening the uh, notepad, we must write the basic HTML tag as we read in the previous slide. The basic HTML tags, first we must keep the HTML tag as shown here. HTML head, title, and under the two title tag we must keep the title of our presentation. Then head, we must close the head and start the body. Under these two body tags, there comes all our contents and the things which we must give in our website. And one thing we must take care is while saving any HTML document. While saving any HTML document, we must remember two things. They are saving extension. While saving any HTML tag, we must keep the extension HTML or HML. I'm keeping the name demo, and extension is HTML. And save as type also we must take care, because the notepad will be saving the file in text format, but we must need the file in HTML format. So we can just simply do is we can click on the drop down arrow, and we can keep the all files option. And after saving that presentation, we will be getting this type of result. We only named the title of our presentation last time, so we are only getting this much. We are only getting this much title only. And now we are writing. Now we are writing some other contents of the web web page, and we are using other tags. I'll be showing it one by one. First we have used the font size tag, and font size we have kept 8, and then font color we have kept red. So here we can see that the font is at 8 points, and the font color is in red. And after that we are using the paragraph tag at the first. We are using the paragraph tag, and here we can start writing our paragraph. Then we have used the bold tag. You can see right here we have used opening bold tag and closing bold tag. Under this we have written this text is shown in bold interface, and you can see right here the text is shown in bold interface. And next what we have done is italic tag. While using italic tag, we have done two things: opening italic tag and closing italic tag, and we have written text under it. And you can see right here the text is shown in the italic typeface. And then another thing we have done is underline tag. We have underlined the text opening underline tag and closing underline tag. We have written here, so we can see that this text is being underlined. And other text formatting tag also we are using, such as subscript. Here add subscript to close, subscript close as so, and again subscript open for, and then subscript close. We have done this, so you can see right here after the ads, the smaller two we can see right there, and after ASO also we can see for. It is mainly used while writing the any chemical formula of chemistries, and when we need to write superscript, then we can change that, and in place of sub sub we can keep sup superscript. If we will write the superscript, then we can, and the it will show as ats, and in the upper part it will be showing 2, and then so, and upper part it will be showing 4. And then we have used the strikeout or tag to, in here you can see no smoking we have done, and then strikeout open and strikeout close we have done. So you can see it is crossed right there. We can use this in other examples too, and then we have opened the font, so we are closing the font right at the end, and then we have opened the paragraph and body too, so we are closing that, and html also we are closing that. Now we are going to read about some other tags also. Other tag is body busy color. We have kept the body background color in black, and one thing we must take care is that while writing the color, we shouldn't write color, we must write color. If we write color, then it will be wrong. So body busy color color I have used black, and then I have kept the paragraph alignment too. The paragraph alignment is center, and then font color is red um, as previous, and font size is 9. And I have written the heading. This is heading I have written there, and I have broken that. So first, let's see this much. We have used the body busy color is black, so we are seeing the black color right here, and then we have used the 9 points. It is showing in 9 points, so it is a little bit big. And then now we have used here a break tag, so it is not attached with the paragraph. So after the break we have used hr tag. We have used hr tag, so horizontal ruler is drawn after the heading. And then we have used the mark you and image tag. We have kept the mark you direction right and behavior equals to slide. And we have kept the image. The image name was 11, and the extension was png. And we have kept the height 200 and width 600. And we have closed the mark you. We must not close the image because it's not a container tag. And as we can see the image, our image is being shown there, but I couldn't capture the marquee because it's a movement and I couldn't capture it in a single image. If I would capture the whole video, then it will be going towards the right hand side. And then another thing is we have done the paragraph align equals to center and started our paragraph. And here we can start our paragraph. We have written our first text, and after that we have as previously we have done we have kept the all things, and but one difference we are doing is we are keeping the break tag and paragraph alignment. We are keeping the break tag, so all these are not attached with each other like this. It is now separated to each other. Only new thing we have done is that, and then we have closed our body tag. Here are the results what we did in the previous slides. And here we have done one new thing, that is we have kept the interlink. In the interlink we have kept external link. In the external link we have kept ahref https www.wikipedia. I have kept the website, wikipedia's website url. And then in the text I have kept the wikipedia, and then I have closed the tag. So here you can see the result here. It may not be seeing properly, but you can see right here. You can see over this area. You can see over this area the wikipedia is shown, and in the purple text it is being shown. And when I'll be clicking on this, then it will be taking us to the Wikipedia's website, wikipedia.org's website. This much thing we have done. You can add more things in your presentation through the text. You can practice it on self too. We have done these things, and if you have any queries regarding our presentation, if you want to ask some question, then you can ask now.
Okay,
Do
so
you
here
have any
we go.
queries?
Anyone? And it is all technical, so to have some questions also you need to have some ideas regarding HTML and web page designing. So that was the first chapter, and here as a review, as a recap, and more something addition also he has added. That's why it's a very much wonderful presentation. If you have anything to say, they're ready. There we go. Anyone?
Any questions?
Okay, it seems like not. Yeah, Piyush, you can end your presentation.
Excuse me, Piyush.
Yes, you can ask.
That how to put backside background.
What do you mean backside background?
So, like if we
Src equals to, and then in place of black you can keep your the source of your image. If you will do that, then in place of this black background you can keep your image. Any other questions?
no.
Okay, thank you very much. And the presentation templates was created by Slidesco, so the credit goes to the Slidesco, and icons was given by Free Click. So thank you everyone for your attention.